Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Susan Fatima Ramdhani. I'm from PBA. The implementation of the Cambridge Lower Secondary English Curriculum, teacher voice at one private school in Palembang. The Cambridge curriculum is one of the international curricula in Indonesia. Cambridge curricula has been implemented especially for teaching English. The study was aimed at finding out English teacher perfection toward the implementation of the Cambridge Lower Secondary English Curriculum. At one private school in Palembang, Indonesia, a qualitative design with a case study was employed for the study. The data were gathered through an interview with two English teachers. Thematic analysis was used to analyze the recent data. The result of the study reflect the three stages of implementing the curricula: 1. Program development, 2. Implementation of learning, and 3. Evaluation. So, introduction. English has become a subject that is taught to the student at school. Johnson 2017 defined the three various reasons for learning for its limits, which are for study purpose, adapting to the new culture of the country in which someone lives, for international communication with people from different countries, and for international communication with people from within their country. The learning process consists of supporting materials and strategy. Concerning English at the subject, it's related to the curriculum use over time. A curriculum is always changed or updated. There are national and international curricula that have their own purpose and comparison and that want to achieve in education. According of Sudarman, there are competition by using an international curriculum to face globalization. They are related to communication skill, the ability to think clearly and critically, to ability to consider more issues and tolerant of different points of view, and the ability of interest in life, be willing to work, be intelligent under their talents, and have a sense of environmental responsibility. Literature review, teacher preparation, the nature of curriculum, the implementation of curriculum. The teacher preparation are important to the study, preparation and an emotional or intellectual reaction to or regarding something or someone. Consequency and on solution, we judge person, things, or events, talks, or life in curriculum. There are so many things that must be considered in order to be direction and purpose of the curriculum itself. The consequences of objectives or aims, teaching method, and activity in the learning process and assessment for student. So, impact on administration, teacher, and student. A curriculum allows administration to provide a dynamic educational program for current and prospective students. School, college, and universities attract students with a variety of quality, competitive, and flexible program curricula. Curriculum offers teacher provides ideas and strategy for teacher to use and assess student progress. The students must meet certain academic requirements to go to the next level. Without the guidance or curriculum, teachers cannot be assured that they have supplied the necessary knowledge of the opportunity for students at the next level, whether that level involves high school, college, or career. The Cambridge curriculum in lower secondary school. Cambridge lower secondary means that the Cambridge curriculum is that students who are still in 12 until 15 years for English subject has subject foster lifetime love of reading, writing, and speaking. It's giving students transferable language abilities for analysis and generating spoken and written materials. as well as collaboration work. It also inserts student confidence, creative, and intellectual curiosity. The implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English Curriculum. There are some strategies in implementation Cambridge Lower English Curriculum. The first is program development. The curriculum, on the other hand, can be caused the development by school stakeholder. It means that the school can develop the program in the curriculum. Program development consists of annual years, which consists of the material learning times and activity that will be taught to the student. The teacher attribute in Cambridge Lower Secondary English Curriculum. There are competition should be held for teacher and student in using the Cambridge curriculum. According to Sullivan, 2019, the Cambridge learner and teacher attributes are designed to help students establish 5 powerful and highly designed learning habits that will encourage them. Prevention-related study. In this point, some prevention studies are described. The first study was educated by Kusumawati 2019 and the title Implementation Curriculum Cambridge dalam Pembelajaran Bahasa Inggris, which has similarity that focus on described implementation learning English at Sekolah Dasar Kristen Kalam Kudus Surakarta. The study has resolved that implementation of the Cambridge curriculum is carried out through planning, implementation, and evaluating learning activity by teacher competence and other pension point in evaluation of Cambridge curriculum implementation is carried out through internal evaluation and student evaluation. Methodology, research, design, cite, and respond. Qualitative research with a case study approach was selected in order to know such phenomena dealing with the teacher perception towards the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum at one private school in Palembang. A case study means that we can explore and understand an issue or problem by using a case means process, activity, or program in real life. Data collection and analysis. In collections the data, we use interview for obtain information from teacher English that aim to know their perception about the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English Curriculum at Singapore Indonesia School, or SES Palembang. Findings. The interview was conducted to find out the teacher perception of the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English Curriculum. After gaining the data from the interview, the data was analyzed by using thematic analysis. Program deployments. Based on the data obtained from the interview in the state's implementation, Cambridge Lower Secondary English Curriculum program deployment was the first stage. In developing the program, the teacher said that there were 6 points in each stage. The way would adapt the teaching plan from Cambridge English Lower Secondary Curriculum to school needs. The teacher will by adjust the same offer. So, learning implementation based on the interview data. The second stage in implementation Cambridge Secondary English Curriculum was the implementation of learning. There were 6 points in the implementation of the curriculum. The Cambridge English Lower Secondary placed more focus on student writing skill. Teacher and each student during the learning process by having them reflect on their daily lives in relation to the English instruction. Teaching reflects themselves on the teacher. Attributes such as confidence in teaching Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. The materials provide an opportunity for students to study attributes in such confident and reflective by using Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. The teacher use English in media instruction at school, and the Cambridge English Lower Secondary material are subtle for the student.